I saw this mole cricket in the last moments of its life, and I saw this wasp come down, fly around, and then come back and start stinging it everywhere that it could possibly get a hold of it. There you can clearly see the wasp on it stinging it. This is the first time I've ever seen this. Apparently the venom is beginning to take effect. The mole cricket has begun to stop being, well, I spoke too soon. For a while there it was laying very limp. Now it's getting quite active again. Wasp is just off to the left-hand side. It's flown off. The mole cricket is moving, not very efficiently. Looks like it's done for. I'm guessing that the wasp is going to come back and find it, possibly based on the pheromones. I hope I have it in focus. I'm in bright sunlight and I can't hardly see anything. I like viewfinder cameras over these side screen cameras, because if I was in a viewfinder I could actually see. Here the mole cricket is beginning to try to dig in, but he's digging into an area that's almost entirely rock. It appears he's given up, realizing he's not going to dig very far. He's underneath that grass still trying to dig in. He's on a rock driveway, if you're wondering what all this rock is. We'll come back and visit with this in a little while. I've got other things to do. Hope you enjoyed this short but brutal attack by a wasp.